finished look of this unit, and how are we liking it? First of all, I did my makeup. I hope it looks so good on camera. It looked good in the bathroom, but I hope it looks good on camera. I think I did a good job. How are we liking the look? Alright y'all, so today I am wearing a Outre wig, and this is part of their Everywhere lace front wig collection. And let me just say, this eats down. Okay, so let's get into the specs of this unit. So the color that I'm wearing today is chocolate. Now on camera it looks a little bit darker, but I promise you it is like a much lighter brown. You can't really see the color on camera, but it's like a nice milk chocolate brown. This is in the style Every 7. The curls really eat with this wig. Like, I really like it. It's like a natural looking curl. If you were to do like a loose flexi rod type of curl, it's really cute. So let's get into more specs of this wig. So with this wig, it has HD transparent lace ear to ear. Now this is a T-part wig as well. I did a little bit of plucking on the hairline because, like I always tell you guys, I like my wigs a little bit more naked, but it's like a real T-part. Like, I couldn't really pluck how much I wanted to, because if I did, you guys would see like the rest of the part that isn't the lace. You would have been able to see that. So I only was able to pluck just a little bit off, but I think it looks really cute. It looks more natural. If you hear my daughter in the back, I do apologize. She is watching Bluey in the living room. But yeah, so this is a lace front wig. They have a whole bunch of different colors as well. I'm gonna link this wig down below for you guys in my description box, so if you want to purchase it, look out for that. As always, thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and if you're not a subscriber, make sure you do subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.